Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out from the BlockChain application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see a profile symbol. Press on it. And here in this page you should scroll all the way down and you should press on the last option, which is sign out. And you can see this small window popping up to you asking if you really want to sign out from this wallet, and you should just press on sign out. After waiting a little bit, you can see that you have been signed out, and if you want to sign in once again, you can just enter there your password and press continue, and you will be signed in once again. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.